Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pick some really good niches for Amazon affiliates and focus in on high paying niches. So I wanted to give you a really quick way, a step-by-step way that you can start looking for high paying niches. This is a really simple way of doing it to get one. Okay, there you can't go more complicated than this, that's what I mean. But this is a really simple way of doing it if you're concerned about the commission rates, for instance, or you just want to get paid more per sale. This is a really great way of doing it. Also, if you want 5 really good niches for absolute free, do check out the description link below. So there's a link in the description, it will take you through to this page, and I've already picked out 5 high paying niches for you. They're yours for free, they're easy to use and rank. I walk you through how to use them. You've got the keywords to use. They're high paying niches, so I've picked out the niches where you'll get paid over $30 a sale, over $50 a sale, and some of them over $100 a sale. And they're really good niches, so if you just want it done for you, do check it out. It's in the description, the link's there, and it's free as well, so you can get in and get that for free. It's down below. But let me just walk you through this. So it's a little tip, really cool way of doing it. Number one, first thing, you want to write this down. Go into a high paying category. Okay, so you can check that in your Amazon affiliate, see what pays the most. First thing that you want to do is find a fairly decent high paying category. It makes it easier. You can find high priced items in the lower paying ones as well, which is worth doing as well, but just for the first step, go into a high paying category. Number 2, load up the best sellers section. Now there's a couple of ways of getting to it. You can normally see it at the top here on best sellers when you're in a section, okay, and it will bring up the best sellers. The other easiest way, because sometimes it's quite tricky to get to, is just to type into Google best selling dog food Amazon, or best selling rowing machine Amazon, and it will bring up the best sellers section like this, and then you can just navigate around on the left here, and that's how you get there. Now the beauty of it is, once you're there, you know that they're the best selling products. Okay, really simple, I know, but this is what makes it so simple. You know that they're the best selling products. So then to find your niche, go into that category that I'll just give an example here, like power and hand tools, and you can see here all the best selling in that section. So you could even further go down here. Okay, so if I go, let's look at tool organizers. Okay, so these are the best selling tool organizers, and I can see the price range: 185, 33, 229, 29, 18, going down. And if they're not that much, like in terms of the price ranges, you can find another category, but it will show you. You've also got all of these here. If I go back to power and hand tools, and I go to power tools this time, which I know is going to be, you know, higher priced, and you can see all of the price points here: $99 to $228, $30, $204, and you can see what's you can see what's selling really well, and 2, you can see the price of things. Okay, so when we get to a sort of when you get to a sort of price point that you like the look of, for instance here, all you have to do, I'll just doing this briefly here for you for an example. All you have to do, once you see an item that's selling well, this is number 9 on the best sellers list for power tools. Once you find an item that's selling well with a good price point, you click on it, and it will bring up all the details and everything, what you can get with it. And this is the best seller in power impact wrenches. Okay, and then I go to power impact wrenches. Hope this is making sense. And there we go. Now we've got a niche area that is priced really well. We already know it's selling because this is one of the best selling products on power tools with 5,420 reviews, and we've just seen it. And because we picked it on the price, we know that they're really good. That's a socket set head here, but they're good price points. So this one goes up to 682, starts at 200. This one starts at 200, goes up to 500. This one starts at 250, goes to 500. So we're getting on average anywhere from $200 to $600 in value, which will equal a decent amount of commission. And that's exactly how you do it. So let me know in the comments if that made sense. If you got any questions, write that down, go through the video again, pick a really good high paying niche. Now there is some more in it, I know, because you have to do keyword research, you have to do competition checking, you have to check on Google and make sure that you can actually rank. You also want to make sure that the products are selling, like not seasonal or anything like that. If you want all of that extra work done for you and 5 of the best high paying niches for free, check out the link below. It's totally free to get them, and you'll get a video every day with the niche, with the keywords, with the competition check, so you can get going really, really fast. So check that out. It's in the link below. I hope you liked this little video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. I'd really, really appreciate it. Get your free niches, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.